Good morning to all. I am D. Mani Bharati, working as Assistant Professor at the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Government College of Engineering, Salem. I am the Assistant Network Faculty in charge, as well as I am taking care of the intercom facilities of our institute. I am supported by two network administrators who are trained to take care of the network and intercom facilities of our institute. Under TechCube 3 grants in the year 2018, we went for three major purchases. The first purchase is related with firewall and N switches. The second purchase is on core switches and distribution switches. The third purchase is related with the VoIP and PBX system.
Greetings to everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the purchase of VoIP based PBX of one package. The purchase was done under TechCube 3 funding. The date of purchase was on 18th September 2018. The total cost involved in the purchase is 14,45,570 rupees. The main reason for going this purchase is to replace the existing analog telephony intercom connection in the institute. The analog telephony often undergoes repair. This VoIP based, that is your voice over internet protocol, access the internet connectivity, thereby connection can be established at wherever we have LAN access. The LAN access is provided throughout the campus in nook and corner of each department. So there won't be any problem of taking connection for VoIP based IP phones. Initially, we have purchased 20 IP phones and VoIP setup has been established. In the due course, we shall see about the replacing the entire analog telephony with the VoIP based telephony. Let us look into the video of VoIP based PBX, in which the VoIP and the SIP, that is Session Initiation Protocol software, has been installed. The server is kept in the networking room of Department of ECE. This is the telephone exchange, which is in the administrative block. Which National Knowledge Network offers internet connectivity. This is the PBX, that is the private branch exchange box. This private branch exchange box forms the central component of any VoIP based system. This IP based PBX have a directory of all phones and numbers and their corresponding SIP addresses, that is Session Initiation Protocol addresses. Using this VoIP gateway, internal calls from any location, that's IP location, can be made to any external location, as well as any calls from the external network can be connected to any location which is inside the campus. This is the Matrix gateway. Matrix gateway is given exclusively for the BSNL connection to make calls to the external, as well as to route the external calls into the from BSNL into each faculty room. This is one of the N switches from the firewall and threat prevention package, which is also installed in the intercom room. That is what we are seeing now. This is the IP phone installed in our principal's room. The advantage of IP phone is the connectivity. One cable is the LAN connectivity, another is the power connectivity. Power connectivity, there is no need for any external power. Power connectivity can be taken from an injector which offers the necessary power. Thank you.